You start counting 5 minutes, please. Jai Jinendra, how is everyone? How are you? Listen, we are having good time here. Our children are doing wonderful job. But at the same time, we need to see what our adults, what our older people are doing. And that's what I'm here to tell you. Now you can start my 5 minutes. Oh, have the slide and then start, please. Okay. Now, I assume all of you know what is Jaina. Jaina is our Jain Association, federation of all the Jain associations in Northern America. We have about 72 Jain centers in United States. And Jaina is managing all those centers. And it is the mission of this center, this Jaina, is to preserve, practice, and promote Jain religion, culture, and heritage throughout the world. I think I need to have a, okay, I have it here. Thank you. Next slide, please. This time would be
Sure.
Thank you, Pramod Bhai. You can see I'm just a doctor.
Sure.
It just had to happen when I come to the stage to talk. Okay. We have 3 Jaina directors from our Jain Center, and youngest and most energetic, Jatin Bhai Ranawat, please come to the stage. And please give him a big hand of applause. He is doing Versitap and such a great Sata. He is in a great Sata. Sata Chene Bhai, I'm asking you Sata on behalf of whole Sangh. Thank you. Then our next Jaina director is Ajay Bhai Shah, our president. And the last one is myself, Dr. Jayesh Shah, Jaina director from our Jain Center. Thank you. And Jaina has the executive committee. I don't need to spend more time. I'm currently first vice president of Jaina. Next slide, please. Okay, I can do it now. I was told I can do it. How is Jaina structure? We have executive committee. We have Jaina directors, program committees, youth committee, YJA, YJP, and affiliates. Jaina has many, many programs. About 40 committees are working under Jaina, and they are doing wonderful job. Just one good news I want to announce. Recently, we have appointed Vipin Bhai Wadecha as our Jaina Jeevdaya committee. When you do good job, you get more work. Now, what can Jaina do for our Sangh? We have symbiotic relationship between Jaina members and Jain centers, and we have mutual benefit of collaboration. We are providing, Jaina is providing a lot of resources to most of the Jain centers. At the same time, Jain centers are providing and supporting Jaina to make it better, provide better services to Jain communities in Northern America. What can Jaina do for me? We are providing spiritual guidance, resources such as literature, online courses and workshops, community engagement. We give opportunities to connect with fellow Jain Sanghs, and through the all local chapters, events, and online platforms. Volunteer opportunities are available. Educational resources are provided by Jaina, access to educational materials on Jain philosophy, history, and culture, for personal growth and enrichment. Scholarships and grants are provided by Jaina to Jain students in the Northern America. We are providing a lot of networking and other supports, celebrating Jain heritage, health and wellness programs are being offered by Jaina. Next, Jaina Convention is coming. As you know, every odd year, 4th of July, every odd year, 2021, 23, 25, we had Jaina Convention. Next Jaina Convention is decided, it would be in Dallas. We invite you to join and celebrate with us. It would be July 2nd to July 5th in Dallas, 2027. And I would request Nilesh Bhai or Andy Bhai to put that video. We have 1 minute video to show it to you about Jaina Convention. While they are putting in, I'll give it mic to our two esteemed Jaina directors if they want to say something. So mark your calendar for 2027, 4th of July weekend. Salil bhai, still I have 1 minute and 20 seconds. Huh? Thank you. Thank you. So please join us on this convention. One thing I want to tell you, we are very fortunate to book a hotel. I thought you would tell me. I have given only 5 minutes, yeah, so okay. Yeah, thank you. So we are very fortunate to book a hotel Hilton Anatoly in Dallas, which is 1,600 room, one of the largest convention hotel in Dallas, in United States, and we have already booked 1,200 rooms for us. So good part is all of us, we can stay in one hotel under one roof. Parents and children, they don't have to stay in different hotels. So that would be very good, and we will save some money on transportation too. That's another thing we can. So please mark your calendar. I'm done with my Jaina presentation. If anyone has any question, I still have 17 seconds I can talk.
15.
Okay.
30.
Thank you. Now they have given me 1 more minute to talk about, you may have heard, you may have seen, email was sent by our Jain Center of Southern California last night. We are celebrating Navkar Mantra Divas, Navkar Divas in April 9th. In India, they are doing in April 9th, which would be April 8th in over here. Jain community in India is working hard to get this day, Navkar Divas, be approved by Indian government. And there is a great momentum. If you remember, I don't think clapping alone would help. Next, what you need to support, I'll tell you how you can support. Last year, we had this Navkar Divas, and Narendraji Modi, Prime Minister Narendraji had given a lecture which was one of the best explanation about Navkar Mantra. Last year, he spoke for 9 minutes. This year, we are fortunate, Amit Shah, our Home Minister, would be gracing this event in India. We request you to join this Navkar Mantra Jap. Over here, we will be doing in United States. For California, time is April 8th, 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. They are going to do in India, April 9th, 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. So we will be celebrating, we will be having the Navkar Mantra Jap. Please join us. Why I'm requesting you, the more people join, it would be registered, and that would give a power to the committee who is working on to get this date, the Naukar Mantra Divas, as approved by the Indian government. So that would be very helpful. Please join us. If you cannot be at Jain Center to do the Naukar Mantra job, you can do it from your home. Just register yourself so your name would be we will be able to count how many people join. More the merrier. If we have a larger number, we can put some more pressure on Indian government to get it done. And last but not the least, this year Indian government has agreed to mint 360 special silver coins for Naukar Mantra. So this is new edition. Everyone is working hard. Please help us, join us, support us, and let's get it done. Thank you and Jai Jinendra.
Jai Jinendra. Jai Jinendra. There you go. Okay. I have a humble request. Please come over here and join the Naukar Mantra. It's make a big difference when you are do any mantra, any jap, any pujan in together. Whenever do any punya karma together is always make a difference. And that message goes to India. How many people joined over here? Then Indian government can push. Right now, Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, all the people is working so hard to recognize Jain community at a different level. If you want to be recognized in a special, please come over here and join here. If you cannot make over here, then definitely you join from the home.
But make sure you register yourself so that we can count your presence there, and that would help us. And all this, Ajay Bhai could say because he's the president. I had to speak within my limited time, so I had to shorten my speech. Thank you.
No worry, Jayesh bhai. I will give you my time, don't worry.
Jai Jinendra.